ensure our safety and well-being.
Ni muthi wa muthia wa KIGOMANO kia mwaka uyu kia utamburukia wa mahinya kiria kihingitwo ni munini wa president RIGATHI GACHAGUA.
Thank you very much.
GACHAGUA ya mweke uyu kuheana kiraniro kia urutithania wa wira gatagati ga thirikari na thirikari cia kaunti riu akiuga ino noyo njira huthu ya gukinyaniria uthii wa nambere maturaini.
There is seamless cooperation and collaboration between the two levels of government because we serve the same people. There are no Kenyans who belong to the national government, and there are no Kenyans who belong to the county government. All Kenyans are Kenyans, and they belong to the two levels of government. I have repeatedly
kuringana na GACHAGUA mugaru na uria thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza yonanagio ikirikana kwa kunyita mbaru utamburukia wa mahinya riu irutiri wayo ni wonekete makiria kuhitukira ugai wa kigina kuri kaunti ihinda riria riagiriire.
We are keeping the promise. In our first year in office, the national government owes no county a penny.
Thirikari cia kaunti no ihoetwo gukinyaniria motungata kuri muingi makiria hari ugima wa mwiri githomo kia nathari undumwe na urimi.
Expect a bumper harvest. Counties were key in the last mile delivery of over 3 million bags of subsidized fertilizer to our farmers in at least 40 devolved units. I would like to ask counties to work with us in the registration of farmers and in delivery of phase 2 of the subsidized fertilizer distribution to the farmer.
Hidi ya gikaro giki kanjo ya magavana niheanite maundu 32 maria maiguithanirio ni magavana makiria hari unyitaniri na thirikari nene.
Both levels of government shall enhance and sustain performance management as a tool of strengthening effective service delivery. Action, Office of the Prime Cabinet Secretary, National Government Ministries, Departments and Agencies. Both levels of government shall explore entrenching division of revenue between the national and county governments on the projected budget for the year as opposed to using the last audited accounts.
Agithoma mendekithia maya gavana wa Wajir Ahmed Abdullahi uria nowe munini wa muikariri giti kanjini ya magavana niugite uhimbiria wa ukinyaniria wa kiru ni undu ungi county itanyite kuhimbiria na njira nene.
On empowering youth for inclusive economic growth, resolution number 30. Both levels of government shall enable a conducive environment for youth to carry out business by ensuring reasonable fees and levies for permits, especially for content creators wishing to access and use public spaces.
Nigi county no ciguithaniirie kunyitirira onjoria nini niguo kwandandura wigithia wao. Ari muthi wa muthia wa KIGOMANO kia utamburukia wa mahinya thirikari nene kuhitukira munini wa president niheanite kiraniro kuri magavana ya gutigirira ati ni yakinyia kigina kiao mahinda maria magiriire ukwikiuria magavana gutigirira kigina giki ni kiahuthika uria kwagiriire. Adunia Kameme TV kuma Eldoret, county ya UASIN GISHU. Retora kwa ni Bataru wa Mwagi.